Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your SuperBox with just the remote control. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your SuperBox with just your remote. So this will work with pretty much any of the SuperBoxes. So if you have an S2, you got this remote, but I'm going to use this one in today's video. Put this one aside. So what we're going to do is you're going to press the period and the 0 5 times in a row. Okay, so let's do this now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a bit and you should see your box rebooting. Now we got the SuperBox symbol back. Just gotta wait a few more seconds. And there you go, step 1. So now your box is factory reset. So that's how you factory reset your SuperBox with just the remote control. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.